Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as many speculations are going on about the cut-offs of Delhi University, if we look at the previous year's record, it is generally seen that always it has happened that the Delhi University has released its cut-offs a day or two before the speculated date. Means first they give a schedule, they give a date that on this particular date the cutoffs will be released, and then they will release them a day before. So similarly, if we see that if the same trend will be followed, then most probably the cutoffs may be released today. But there is one more thing, that as I have told you in my previous video also, that DU has released one circular about that grievance email and all, and there it has been written that the cutoffs will be released by 12th of October. So now 12th of October is day after tomorrow, and tomorrow is 11th of October. So most probably cutoffs will be released today or tomorrow, because one day earlier so definitely they release. And anyhow, then 12th of October is also not very far away, so you all should keep your fingers crossed. And here I want to give you one piece of advice. This was the main motive of making this video, that if you don't get your name in the first cut off, don't get depressed, don't get hopeless. Rather, in the first cut off, definitely the scores will be very high. Means you only those students who have got very good marks, their chances will be there. But if you have got bit less marks, then you should wait for second and third cut off. And one more thing, that don't run after the colleges. Means whatever aim you have set for your career, for your dream career, you should go according to that. Means don't think कि बस DU में admission मिल रहा है तो course भी change कर ले. Don't do that. If you have decided for a particular course, you should go for that only, because you must have planned something for your future and you must be interested in that particular thing. That's why you have filled your forms. So don't rush blindly after the college's tag. Only think about your future career. What have you planned? Discuss with your parents, you discuss with your teachers, and then take the final decision. So finally, best of luck everybody. I wish that all of you get good colleges, good scores, and good courses. So keep moving, and keep your eyes fixed on your future goals. And if you have not subscribed to Kingdom of Learning yet, do it fast, because we are going to provide you complete support and guidance, and we are trying to answer all the questions asked by you guys in the comment box. And yes, don't forget to like the video.